Without any doubt, one of the most humbling experiences of my life happened right here in East Java, Indonesia, on Mount Ijen. Learning that the miners here sacrifice years of their life to mine the sulphur from the crater of this volcano for as little as $15 a day is a truly sobering thought. Our Ijen story starts right here. Alright, good morning everybody. Like we say, it's just gone 2 o'clock in the morning. We got a pretty excited day today, although I am not feeling too excited right now because it is 2 o'clock. We've had about 3 hours sleep, absolutely shattered, and we are climbing Mount Ijen in the east of Java. But we haven't got masks, we haven't got torches, we haven't got jackets. Gary hasn't got anything. So we're a little bit unprepared for this one actually. We've done a few hikes, a few volcanoes around Indonesia so far, and this is definitely by far the least prepared that we've been. But the one very, very good thing, we are driving very high as I'm driving right now, so we are taking a big chunk out of this volcano before we've even set foot. So let's hope we just keep going higher and higher. The next time we see you, we're going to be in the visitor centre.
You want a coffee as well?
No, I'm good mate, I don't drink it, do I?
I'll make a sit down, yeah, thank you.
Well, good news is if you do forget anything, they've got loads of people just selling stuff. So you can get like hats, gloves, scarves, jackets even. So if you do forget stuff, you can buy stuff. I don't know why Gary's not buying anything. I keep telling him to buy something, but he's saying, nah, you're alright, you sweat when you walk, don't you? So I hope he freezes. Here he is, I hope he freezes. You gonna buy some nice warm stuff?
No, they're all gonna be like on bed.
Oh no. Oh, apa nama kamu?
Nama saya Albi.
Albi. Apa nama Mat?
Apa? Mungkin butuh tour guide 250 untuk bantu-bantu foto.
Untuk juga atau satu orang?
Dua.
Oh, 250, so 125 each. Should we just do it?
Yeah. We just met this sound guy. He's going to do a guide for us. 125k each. Absolute bargain, I would say, for someone who's going to show us the way to walk and be nice and safe going up. Last time I did a volcano hike, I fell down the cliff. Well, you know it's getting pretty serious when your guide gives you a Darth Vader mask. Miners that go up and down, they don't wear them, they never wear them, so they're working here every day, 12 hours a day, and they don't even wear gas masks. That is mental, absolutely mental. Jesus, I'm going to need my mask just to sit here. Actually makes a big difference.
They're looking at me like I'm crazy.
Everyone is dressed in like warm jackets, trousers, big socks going over the bottom of the trousers. He's dressed to go to the beach.
You never know what's up there.
Di rombongannya 4 orang masuk dulu. 4 orang.
Step 1, step 2. And we're off. Feeling fresh. First few steps. No stitch yet. I don't have a lot of luck with these hikes that we do. We've done 2 big hikes like this before. We've done Mount Agung in Bali, worst day of my life, and we've done Semeru in Bromo in Java, which was a great day, but the Bromo one, Semeru erupts every morning at like 6:20 or something, and I missed it by 20 minutes. We'd walked 16 hours, we'd hiked 16 hours, and I missed the eruption by 20 minutes. And today we're already going to find out that we've missed the blue flames already. We're not going to see the blue flames, so we've already had a bit of bad luck. So I'm hoping that that's the bad luck out of the way, and we're going to have a clear, bright sky, no rain, hopefully, and just enjoy this hike. Look at all these bikes. There's so many people here. Hey, Albi, maybe? It's okay? You can take me?
But this
Oh, what? They actually do that?
and we can like now until not enough of the taxi.
Oh my god.
She may be too heavy for you.
Yeah, there are 4 of them.
Double the size.
So people sit in them and they just get carried up. Gary!
From here,
Gary! Hello, Gary. Say again.
From here start to steep, 2
okay.
kilometers.
I thought it was steep. I've never done a hike that's so busy before. We're literally just trailing each other. You can see all the lights. Actually, you probably can't behind me now. We've got a huge trail of people. We're just one by one, feet to ankles, following each other. It feels pretty strange, but it's keeping the pace nice and slow, which is nice. We're in the middle of a 2 kilometer uphill battle. So you start with a 900 meter reasonably flat, then you get to this 2 kilometer hike that's uphill, and it's pretty rough, but there is a little shop halfway. I'm hoping that's halfway. There are already people dropping down. You can see these little Sherpas with the cars pulling people up. Alright, we're halfway. You can see behind me there's like a little cafe area, so you can get like a coffee and things. Gary's got a little coffee. Stock up on snacks, but honestly, my overwhelming feeling at the minute is just how busy it is. Look around us. It's like a huge crowd that you're walking up with. It's actually a bit crazy. We're slowly working our way up to the front of the pack. We're quite fast. We've got a Romanian friend with us, and she's pretty quick, so she's keeping the pace strong. But I think we're going to get caught in this pack again.
Our guide was just telling us that he used to work in the sulphur mines, but one day had a terrible accident and slipped in, burning his hand, legs and torso really badly, and had to take 6 months off work.
This one.
Oh my God.
You can see this one.
The commitment and danger that these guys put themselves through just to mine this sulphur for such little value was truly sobering.
This one, this.
Oh, that's crazy. Have to be careful, yeah, hati.
Yeah, hati.
This is our first glimpse of the sunrise. It's creeping just around that corner. Hold up, buddy, we've still got a bit of time to go. We've still got some distance to go. You slow down, my friend.
Okay.
Let's go, Manta.
Let's go! Wow!
Oh, gak suka saya Arsenal. Saya Arsenal. Saya di sini baju Arsenal.
Kasih saya. London is blue!
Gak bagus. Gak bagus.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to get our first glance at the crater. We're finally here. It's actually not been a bad walk at all.
You can see it. Look.
Yeah, look, you can see this.
Yeah. You're going blind.
yeah. There's people on the other side, so once you get to this part you can do another 600 metres and get all the way around the top and get an even better view. I hope we're going to do that. But the hike was not bad at all. There's maybe 2 kilometres that are a bit steep, but after that it's not a problem at all. You're just on this flat land and we're about to come up to the crater. This is going to be awesome. Oh, but look how busy it is. I just can't get over how busy. We've got sulphur on the ground. You can see that's our first glance of the sulphur actually. All around us. But this is nuts. It's like a tourist attraction. It's like a tourist trap. Alright, we found a spot. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see this. Oh man. That is absolutely epic. Ready? Wow. You ready for the crazy fact of the day? This is actually the largest sulphur acid lake in the world. So there you go, a little fact for you. Incredible. That is cool. Made it! Yay! These are our little friends that we went with. What was your name again?
Valerio.
Carmen!
Nice to meet you.
We all took a go at trying to lift what the miners carry every day. This was actually only half of what the miners carry and it was already savage on my shoulder. I cannot believe that these small Indonesians carry twice this amount up and down this crater every single day. Some of the miners here had been doing this for 35 years.
Jesus.
So they take twice this amount. This is 40 kilograms. They take twice this amount and hike it
Wow.
from down there. Show them down there.
Hike it from down there to up here.
Right, go up then.
Half the
Go
way.
up. Sorry, bro. Up you go. Come on. Up you go.
Watch out, guys! Oh, mate, that is savage. That digs in straight away.
Yeah.
That is so good. Honestly, I'm not exaggerating. As soon as you put that on your shoulder, it just digs straight in, and as soon as you try and move, it just carves its way into your shoulder. It's absolutely horrible. And they hike it from down there. I just cannot imagine that.
Where's that bag?
Show me your face. Alright, Darth Vader. Alright, so it's gas mask time. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to do 600 metres with the gas mask on. You can instantly feel it's much harder because you can't get as much air, but it's important because at this point the sulphur is so strong that even just a few minutes your throat's going to burn, you're going to start coughing, and then you'll die. So you can see now we're actually breaking cloud cover. We're finally bursting through the clouds. But we're not the highest peak. This bad boy next to us is the highest peak. I don't know what that is, but it's towering over us. I can't breathe. It's so difficult to breathe in this mask. It's horrible. Yeah.
It makes me look bad.
Yeah. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting to see all these trees and little like shrubs up here. How have these grown? They must like sulphur. Seems to not matter where, seems to not matter where you're going, there's always like a little Instagram spot, isn't there? And always a queue. Okay, so we're right at the very top. First opportunity to catch my breath and just relax, so I thought I'd give you a little update. So we probably picked the worst time possible to come because not only can we not see the blue fire, but the people that the miners that are actually bringing the sulphur up on holiday because it's a Muslim holiday at the moment. So there was meant to be a few, but we literally haven't seen any. So we probably picked the worst time we possibly could have to come. But it's still absolutely amazing, and this is the third volcano that we've done here in Indonesia now, and it's still absolutely amazing. It's just such a cool feeling when you get to the top. You feel like you've really accomplished something, even though this was not a tough climb at all. It's still really cool to finish and do it and get to the top and say you've done it and all that. But yeah, excellent. Sun's about to peep up behind me over my right shoulder here. Gary's just trying to get a photo. I'm not that bothered about the photo. I'm just going to sit and enjoy this beautiful space. Look at this, so just from flying the drone for a few moments, the silver has gone a bit like eroded just from the sulphur. Apparently this is really common, so if girls are wearing jewellery or necklaces or something, all the silver goes really dark and black from the sulphur. So just because I've flown this into the clouds, it's gone all messed up on the blades. Crazy, right? A second interesting fact I'm giving you today. I bet nobody's thought to do that shot before. I'm so unique.
Sorry. You can't even continue, sorry.
Alright, so this is what we could have won. Look at that absolutely gorgeous photo. And look at what we got. We got right ripped off. I'm honestly really trying to give you a good perspective of what we're seeing up here, but I don't think any camera in the world can quite capture what we're seeing here. It's just so vast. Everywhere you look, even in like your peripheral, you can just see something interesting. And your camera doesn't quite pick that up; it just picks one little section. So, whatever you think you're seeing, times it by 10. He's a bloody embarrassment, is our friend Gary. Everyone say boo! So you can see the orange yellowy sulphur on the top there now. This is the first time we can properly see that. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it's all around here. Piles of it here. That's absolutely nuts. And there's like a cracked fault line through the middle there. Man, it looks like Mars or something, doesn't it? Wow, so we've just been chatting for 20 minutes and let the sun come up a little bit, and now the blue lake behind us is really visible. This is absolutely awesome. I've got to be honest, I was a little bit disappointed when I didn't think we were going to see it very well and the drone wasn't picking it up very well, but that is insane. I've used both of my drone batteries, so I'm not going to get any more drone footage, but I'm so glad we've seen that. I hope you can see that as well. That's so cool. Malas!
Might have a broken leg.
Yeah. Of all the craziest things that I've seen today, this is the craziest. That these guys can push people up this volcano. I just think it's absolutely nuts. Sometimes there's like 3 people pulling and pushing and 1 person up. There's some strong Indonesians here. Here's one of them. Boosh, show your muscle. Oh, very small actually, yeah. Okay, how much is it?
And for the up and down, 900,000.
Yeah.
On the up, 700. And going down, only going down. Yeah, and only going down, 300,000.
Okay, so 700 to come up, 300 to go down, or if you do them both, 900.
And
okay.
You need up and down, 100, 900,000.
Yeah.
Not 1 million. Like.
Yeah. I would like to do it just for a laugh, but I could never put somebody through that. I weigh 100 kilograms. I would never do that to anybody.
Getting down was easy. A little bit tight on the knees, but as long as you're fit and healthy, you should be absolutely fine. It's really not a long hike. Hour and 20 minutes, you'll be back down in the car park.
All right, here we go. Back where we started. This is the information centre where you started at the very beginning. 6 hours later, we're back here. Was not a difficult hike at all, but very enjoyable. They had good company and a great guide. I'm going to link the guide in the description actually because he was really good, so if you do come here, I very highly recommend him. But for now guys, thank you for watching. Next video we're going to be back in Bali. I think we're doing a trail run, so that's going to be horrible. See you for now.